So tonight, no e-collar. I really want to see where this boy is at. Trying to get him to stop chasing birds, pouncing on birds. We've been working quite a bit. The weather has sucked, but all being said, he's a good boy. Hunt him up! And he's about as birdy as they come. Good boy. Good boy. Look at that. Good boy. Whoa! Come here, Duke. Good job. Whoa! Duke, come. Whoa! Sit. Relax. Ah! Relax. Ah! Relax, buddy. Relax. Look at the wild eyes. That pigeon's full. Ah! Sit down. Stay. Young dog. Ah! Young dog with this kind of horsepower. He's watching the pigeons fly back to the coop. Nope. Control after the flush is paramount. Hunt him up. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Let's go. No bird. There's no bird, silly. Come on, goofy boy. Hunt him up. This is why I call him my bull in the china shop. Hey! You come here. Good boy. Just because you know they're going to the coop doesn't mean you get to. Never press your dog. Let them figure it out. Because they will. Ho, 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 ho. He is so intense. I'm just waiting for him to make a mistake. He has to come to understand that his movement causes the bird to flush. That way he holds point for a really long time. Whoa! Come! Duke! Come here! Duke! Duke! Come here! Duke! Come here! Okay, we need some more e-collar. Hey! Come! Whoa! Hey! Come here! Duke! All right. Come here! Duke! Duke! Whoa! Sit. A little more. Sit down. You gonna pee on everything? Sit. We need a little more e-collar time. Sit down. Duke, sit. Sit down. Great way to establish control after the flush. It's a great way to get a dog to relax. May not have seen you. Sit down.